Hey everybody, Ken with Break Time Push-Ups. Probably can't see, but it's like a blizzard out here, and I might be getting hit by a car soon. Hold on one sec, I need to run. Nope. So it is a blizzard. It's cold, windy. Looks like my beard is frosted up. Can you see that? Just wanted to do a quick video to say keep doing them. Keep doing your push-ups. Do whatever you do. Squats, push-ups, something. Just stay active. Don't let weather get you down. You see me, sometimes I'm in the rain. Now I'm in a blizzard. Tomorrow the temperature is supposed to go down to -34. I guess I'll be wearing mittens and a better jacket, maybe a better hat. But have fun out there. Embrace nature. Sometimes it's not the funnest thing to do, go outside, but man, is it gorgeous. I have a buddy who comments a lot. He's in the Caribbean. How about you come over to Michigan and do some push-ups with me? Roger, I think. Take care, everybody. This is just an update from Michigan, January 28th, 11:15 in the morning. See ya.